Hello guys, so if you guys are doing well, I am back with another video. So today's my topic is about Tailwind CSS tips and tricks, which when you will apply these tricks, you will get the code in easy way and you can save enough time if you know Tailwind CSS in better way. Okay, but if you are a beginners, then don't try it out. Okay, so today we will visit top 5 website which will help us to build component easily. Okay, so let's get started. So our first website is Tailwind Elements. So we can see here we can also use npm install tw elements. Okay, and if we go to here, we will see the components which actually we saw in Bootstrap, right? So if we want to use these components, okay, so of course we need to follow their quick start, like we need to install the npm. Okay, if you are using React or something like that. Okay, and if you are using only the HTML, then you can add this script in the body part. Okay, so we can see alert section also here. So many things are here, base, like Bootstrap, because Tailwind CSS doesn't have built-in components, right? So we can use these things to code easily, like this button. You see, when I click show code, it will give me the code. Then I can copy and paste on my own code. Okay, if you are looking for cards, you can also copy the cards code from here, like Bootstrap. Okay, so our second is Tailwind Components.com. Okay, so here you will find so many components, people actually posting daily. Okay, also people sometimes sell their components in here, like in this way. So suppose you need a navigation bar. Okay, so if you go components, and here you can find the navbars here. Okay, which will create only Tailwind CSS, I think so. Yeah, so you can get the free one. Okay, so in this way, let's suppose this one. So yeah, you can preview those section in here. Okay, wait, see, it's also responsive. And Tailwind CSS have their own components, tailwindui.com. so if I go to browse components, but they have a limited components. Most of the component actually paid. Okay, if I go to hero section, you can see hero, features, CTA, FAQ, header, pricing, etc. right? So if I go to hero section, we can get this awesome hero section for free. Okay, you can see, you can click the code and you can get the code from here. So it has so many versions: HTML, React, and Vue. 3 versions, sorry, it has 3 versions. So these are PNG preview. These are actually paid. You cannot get it for free. Okay, so and there it is. And you can also find templates in here by browsing their templates. Most of the templates actually purchasable thing. So yeah, and the most good thing is Flowbit. Flowbit is really good. You can use Flowbit in a good way, like when I click quick start, and it will show you npmi Flowbit. If you use CDN, then you use this script file in your HTML file. Okay, and yeah, so if I go their components in here, you can see alerts, accordion, so many things, like you see. And this, I think this Flowbit design are really good. Okay, they have both light and dark version. Like if I click light, I can see the light version also. So yeah, you can also copy the code from here. And you see here they also they use dark and light both together. Like if your device in dark mode, then automatically it will show you the dark version, and if it will light mode, then it will show in light version. Okay, and it's so handy for the developers who have enough knowledge about Tailwind CSS. Okay, if I go to what avatar section or something like that, you see the built-in avatar file. I think most of the time we need navigation bar or mega menu. Okay, these things actually so much needed things, and they have so many type of drop down. You can see also click actually working in here, but you must use their JavaScript file or JavaScript CDN, or you can use npm I Flowbit. Most of the cases I use Flowbit because it's really handy and really good. Okay, so I think this 5 website will help you to build components easy way. Okay, but I recommend it, I will recommend it only for the advanced level developer who have much knowledge about Tailwind CSS, who want to save their time. Okay, that's the main thing. So yeah, that's for today's video, so I will catch you in the next one.